Hello, and here is a quick video showing you how to change the rate and total units on the FP3011 energy computer. So here we have the main screen, top line showing the rate, and the second two lines showing the different totalizers, 1 and 2 units. So to make changes, we have to press the spanner button here, go into the settings. We need to go into login. The passcode is 1 unless it's been changed. Press OK for that. We'll then go down to the settings section. We go into the settings and we go down to main application. And this main application here is A and it's called Steam. We go into that one and we press down until we come across the units section. We go into the units and AP, this is the one we need for the rate. This is the power. We change this on megawatts. We'll change this to kilowatts. And we go up again, and we go up again till we get to the settings tab. We're now going to go down to the totalizers setting. Again, we're going into Steam, the power totalizers here, totalizer 1 megajoules, and we're going to change this to kilowatt hours. We'll do the same on number 2. Change this to kilowatt hours. The same on number 3. Change this to kilowatt hours. And the last one, this totalizer is off, so we don't need to do that. Once we reset this, we need to save the changes. And then the unit should ask us to reset. Press OK, and now we can see we've come back on with kilowatts and kilowatt hours. There we go.